Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasha, and as you read by the title, this is how I bake a full face of makeup. So I get asked all the time, why do I wear so much makeup? Where am I going? Why do I have so much makeup on? When in reality, I don't. So first I'm going to start off with some brows, just brushing my brow hair down with the Maybelline Brow Mascara Gel. And then I take some concealer by Juvia's Place. And I barely put it on my whole face. I just put it in my highlight spots and on my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty blender and blend that out. But I blend it all over. Like I blend everything down and then I blend the concealer up. And then after I blend that, I set it with a powder, which is going to be by Fit Me. To be honest, guys, the key to faking a full face is having a bold lip and making sure your eyes are done. So I have on a simple base. Once I finish the blending, I take my Fit Me foundation powder and just set that concealer. And then I take some Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder bronzer and just warm my face up a little bit. And then I tap in with my Moon blush from Benefit. And then for my lip is going to be by Jaclyn Hill. It is You Guys. And then my liquid lip is by the queen herself, Rihanna. And it's going to be Underdog. Oh, I'm doing mascara. So I wanted a full eye look. Usually I put an eyeliner on, but I didn't feel like doing that today. So I just did mascara. And that is going to be the Sumptuous Extreme by Estee Lauder. And I'm just going to apply that on to make sure, you know, my eyes, well, you can tell something's there, but it's not a lot.
Show them my songs and they all tried to stop me. Said I couldn't do it, so I said, nigga, watch me. But that shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii.
So once again, I'm using Jaclyn Hill You Guys lip liner. And my liquid lip is going to be by Rihanna, Fenty Beauty, and Underdog. And can y'all believe my earrings came from Dollar Tree? They are so cute. And my claw clip came from Ulta, if anyone was wondering. Doing here is a third layer. You want to make sure your lip is really bold, because that's going to give a statement that, oh, she's wearing makeup, and people are going to think you have a full face on. Like, I just did my makeup less than 5 minutes and it looks like I have a full face of makeup on, and I don't. I just have the basics. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me online at Beauty by Dasha J, at Dasha J XO. Subscribe, like, and comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.
But I won't catch a body. Show them my songs and they all tried to stop me. Said I couldn't do it, so I said, nigga, watch me. But that shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. Drinking martinis while we dancing at a party. But that shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. So I'm chillin' in Hawaii. Chillin' with my bros like we Patrick and SpongeBob. Playing in the water like we from Bikini Bottom. And you know my bros, man, we all goofy goobers. He said, why you late, man, we always running through her. Still the same nigga I was 5 months ago. I just got better rhymes and a little bit of flow. These haters need to back up and get off my back. Cause bitch, I am Superman, I know they like that. I got some dreams and ambitions, I'm wishing to give me some honeys and money and bitches. I'm cooking up rhymes and I'll never leave the kitchen. I'll get what I get and I won't be selfish with it. Yes, I'm that nigga, but I won't catch a body. Show them my songs and they all tried to stop me. Said I couldn't do it, so I said, nigga, watch me. But that shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. Drinking martinis while we dancing at a party. But that shit got boring, so I'm chilling in Hawaii. Dropped my first album and that shit was fire. Wouldn't stop flaming like let go of the lighter. My plan hasn't changed, millionaire before I'm 18. I'm just that good, not a lot of them can face me. Man, I feel unstoppable, like I can stop a bull. They don't know who I am and I am unaccounted for. So they can hit the door, but don't you slam my door, or I'll come at your core and I'll even the score. Yes, I'm that nigga, but I won't catch a body. Showed them my songs and they all tried to stop me. Said I couldn't do it, so I said, nigga, watch me. But that shit got boring, so I'm chillin' in Hawaii. So I'm chillin' in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chillin' in Hawaii. Drinking martinis while we dancing at a party. But that shit got boring, so I'm chillin' in Hawaii. So I'm chillin' in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chillin' in Hawaii. So I'm chillin' in Hawaii. That shit got boring, so I'm chillin' in Hawaii.